are too concerned with what was and what will be. There's a saying, yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift. That is why it is called the present.
Grabe no, parang ibang universe talaga yung may mga kaya sa school. Like, yung dimension nila, ibang level na.
I swear, yung mga gamit nila, parang sponsored ng Apple tsaka Samsung. Tsaka parang, National Bookstore Elite Section.
Tapos dahil dito, sinusulat pa sa scratch paper yung assignment. Kasi sayang yung notebook. Sila, isang subject, isang notebook na may aesthetic cover pa.
Hindi lang aesthetic par, may matching highlighters pa. Pastel pa lahat. Yung tipo akala mong mag-shoot sila para sa study vlog, hindi para sa quiz.
Tapos, naririnig nyo sila na magreklamo. Ang bagal ng wifi sa kondo namin. Paano naman tayo na nakikihotspot sa kapitbahay natin?
Totoo, yung mga casual na may tutor set, ganito daw gawin. Ha, tutor? Tayo nga, self-taught lahat eh. Sa Google, YouTube, tsaka Dasal.
May mga review center sila, may private coach pa minsan. Tapos tayo, teamwork with friends na walang tulog. Literal, nasama-sama sa hirap.
And they think it's all about studying hard? Bro, try studying na may utang na utang sa tindahan. Sabog pa yung ilaw. Yung background music is away ng kapitbahay.
Pero in fairness, minsan, nakakaingit din talaga. Not in a better way, but most likely, sana all talaga sa kanila.
Oo, like they don't need to think twice kung may pang-project pa ba sila. Tayo, bago pa bumili ng cartolina, need pa natin ng 3 days approval kay mama.
At kapag group work, sila yung may printer, may laptop, may everything. Tapos tayo tong bigay ko na lang ideas ha. Wala akong resources eh.
Pero you know what? Sa totoo lang, mas madiskarte tayo. Dahil wala tayong choice eh. Mas natuto tayong lumaban kahit kulang sa armas.
Exactly. Walang fancy setup, pero may tapang. Walang tutor, pero may tiyaga.
Nakaka-frustrate minsan, pero nakaka-proud pa din kasi kahit sobrang layo pa ng starting point natin, ganito pa rin tayo lumalaban, hindi nagpapaiwan.
Took the breath from my open mouth. Never known how it broke me down. I went in circles somewhere else. Shook the best when your love was home. Storing up on your summer glow. You went in search of someone else. And I hear the ship is coming in.
Good afternoon, class. Let's have our attendance, and after this, we will have groupings for your final project. Okay?
Sir. So, just like this. Pero focus tayo sa comparison between sa underprivileged o sa mga privileged.
I love that. I can edit that on my PC. Just drop the clips on the Dropbox and I'll compile everything.
Wala akong Dropbox eh. Phone na kasi gamit ko. And full storage na rin siya.
Seriously? Baka madedelay naman tayo nito. Di na naman tayo makasabay. Baka hindi siya yung problema. Maybe iba lang talaga resources niya compared sa atin.
La vida es un carrusel. La vida es un
So guys, here's our final output. Pero sayang lang kasi wala masyado si Princess sa video.
Ma'am, nangihiram lang po ako ng PC. May trabaho rin ako sa umaga. Hindi talaga same yung situation ko. Pero I try my best po.
Bro, sorry talaga. Hindi ko kasi alam eh. I didn't mean to be inconsiderate.
Okay lang bro, di ko kailangan ng special treatment. Gusto ko lang ng fair chance, same as you.
Share your blessings, even small thing it counts. Di mo alam, baka malaking tulong na din yun sa iba.
Huwag ka lang puro sarili mo. Dapat may teamwork rin, lalo na sa school.
Pick your privilege. Minsan kasi, sobrang normal sa'yo yung mga bagay na pangarap na pala sa iba. Helping is not about pagiging superior. It's just being human.
Instead of judging, try mo na makinig. Sometimes, support lang talaga ang kailangan ng tao.
Kahit mahirap, basta may tulong, may kaya, ang daming kapareha ko na susumikap din.
Understand that not everyone is like you. Be more aware and be kind.
Kung maestra ka, why not share spend time for important bagay na yan?
Teach your peers empathy. Education is not just about grades. It's about growing as people.
Compassion. Life isn't fair, but choose to be kind.
Empathy. Kung natutunan mong makiramdam, mas magiging human ka talaga.
Solidarity. Lahat tayo may laban. Let's not fight it alone.
Responsibility. If you can help, you should help.
Same tayo ng pangarap. Iba lang talaga yung mga path na tinatahak natin.
Respect. Iba-iba naman tayo eh. We all deserve dignity.
Justice, fairness sa opportunity dapat. Equal chances to learn.
Education is a right, not a privilege. Let's make this real together.